is. We choose there is with singular nouns and with uncountable nouns. Singular noun. Singular noun refer to one person, one animal, one place, one thing, or one idea. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Example, with there is. There is one table in the classroom. One table. One table is the singular noun. So we use with there is. There is some sugar on the table. Sugar is uncountable noun. So we use with there is.